what's going on out there, my sadistic buddies? Well, we raked this, which I can't remember which one broke my double peak, but I wanted to see if I couldn't get a double peak rake on this and then try to pick it and then maybe got it, because I didn't do that either. Didn't do any of that either. Let's get something that is a little bit more tighter. Actually, probably not a good idea to rake with the TOK, but let's give it a try. Let's do it anyway. Maybe let's not do it anyway. There. God, what in the hell am I trying to fucking do here, people? I don't even know. There we go. Acting all stupid and shit. I know I raked this, but what did we rake it open with? I'll have to go back and look. Have to go back and watch my own video, because shit if I ain't already forgotten. Must have been the wave. That's the peak. Must have been the wave rake. Right? Did I fucking break it? And there it is. Man, that was a little bit harder to rake this time. Let's see if we can't pick it open. And there that is. All right. So now, let us slide some stuff over. Oh, whoops. standard in 4. That's hilarious. And a standard in 5. Wow. Now, the key pins, I think, are amazing. People, let's move this. So the key pins are nice, well, except for 1 and 5 being wafered like that, master pinned up. So what it does is it creates multiple shear lines for you to open up, more chances of getting an open. So yeah, we're gonna pin this thing up a frick of a lot better than that. To do these key pins justice. This number 3 blows me away. Now somebody just put a key pin in there for the driver. That's hilarious. Hey everybody, if you got a kick out of this, make sure you hit that like button. If you're new and not subscribed, please do subscribe. Hit that notification bell all the time, because this is just some awesome lock picking. I mean, come on, who else could have picked this lock? I can only name about 1,000 people. But anyway, pretty cool still, huh? All right, you guys know what to do. Hippie picking. Hippie picking.